In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a jammed master lockbox. We use a lot of these lockboxes for our construction projects. We put the keys inside of them, and occasionally they appear to be jammed. So this is the process I always tell our contractors to do before they say that we need to cut it open. So for the sake of this video, I changed the code to 1, 2, 3, 4. And right now it is, you can see that I can't pull the lever down. It appears to be either the wrong code or that it's jammed. And in this case, I know for sure it's the right code. So if you have a Master Lockbox key holder like this, and you put in the right code and you know for sure it's the right code, you got keys inside of it, you don't know what to do, this is what I always tell everybody to do. So you just take it and give it a good shake, hit it along the side of the wall, flip it upside down, shake it, and then try to open it. And then now you can see this lever will go down easy. And what happens is, if you're like us, you got a lot of keys in there with a lot of tabs, and sometimes those things get stuck and it prevents you from being able to open it because you're kind of at the capacity of the lockbox. So you either get 2 lockboxes or you reduce the amount of keys you have, but that is what I tell people to do, and I'm not even kidding, 99 out of 100 times, all they have to do is shake it around and it works every time. So when we started telling people to do this process, the amount of failures that we had reduced dramatically. We have a lot of properties. We use these boxes, these lock boxes a lot. So we went from, hey, it's broken, I need to cut into it and replace it. We went from that happening like every single week to now it doesn't ever happen. We've gone a couple months and we haven't had to do that. So I'm pretty confident that, you know, if yours is jammed and stuck and you know you have the right code, go ahead and do that, and hopefully that helps fix it for you.